Look at Daddy's wall.
Look at that.
Isn't that, you like them?
Yeah, they're really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Aren't they? Wow.
Mm-hmm. I think this is my favorite.
I think it's really good there.
And you have a favorite up here?
I don't know. This one looks pretty good. Oh, hey, can't
Yeah.
see them all.
This one, I swear this has like, that's supposed to be me. I don't know if that's Daddy or that's Daddy.
No, they made them.
Who's that?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's Prince.
Prince. Who's Prince?
It's an Austrian or English Prince, Austrian Prince. Looks like.
This is the first one. It's a little close. Let's see if we can.
That one looks real nice.
And then this is this one too.
Yeah.
This one, I don't know if you can tell how pretty it is on
It's
here.
really nice. I think.
Yeah, he's got like gold and silver. It's very royal. What do you think?
Very nice, Beck. They're very nice. Beautiful.
Yeah.